Good morning, students. This is Shivani Kumari here. And if you're here on my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Now start. I will start the chapter 2, which is sentence, and I will continue the left of exercises. Okay. जो हमने छोड़े थे. Chapter 2, sentences. Chapter 2, sentences. Okay, so in the last video we have completed till the page number 7 and till the question number C. In this video I will do the question number B from the let's perfect it. Okay, because we have solved the question number A from the let's perfect it. So in this we have matched the columns to complete the sentences. Okay, so we have simply matched the columns. Let's start. Question number B. Number 1. Rahul and Reem. Number 2. Will you Number 3. The peacock, the sun. The number 5. Line up. Now we have a number. Help me carry these books. Help me carry these books. Number B. Are skipping Number C. Gives us light. Number D. Outside the classroom. Number E is dancing. The last one. Now we have to match the left side to the right side to get the sentence. Okay. Rahul and Dream. So which one of them which will go correctly with the Rahul and Dream? Okay. Rahul and Dream are skipping. राहुल एंड ड्रीम यहाँ पे सही लगता है, बट राहुल एंड ड्रीम है तो है. राहुल एंड ड्रीम क्या कर रहे, स्किपिंग कर रहे. मीन्स जो कूदा जाता है स्किपिंग आती है. रस्सी कूदने वाला जो गेम होता है उसे हम कहते हैं स्किपिंग. ओके, तो राहुल एंड ड्रीम क्या कर रहे, स्किपिंग कर रहे. तो here we got the first proper sentence. Now will you, what will we the number 2, will you. So this number 2, this particular number 2 will goes with the, I think, number A. Will you help, my mistake, help. Will you help me carry these books? क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे इन बुक्स को कैरी करने में, मतलब ले जाने में. ओके, so here we got our second sentence. Will you help me carry these books? Number 3, the peacock. So the peacock is dancing. The peacock is dancing. Peacock नाच रहा है, मोर नाच रहा है. Now the sun. The sun gives us light. सूरज हमें रोशनी देता है. The sun gives us light. Now the last one, line up goes to the last one. Line up outside the classroom. क्लास के बाहर लाइन अप लगो, मतलब लाइन लगी है. क्लास के बाहर लाइन लगी है, तो लाइन अप आउटसाइड द क्लासरूम. Here we have solved our question number B from the page number 7, and I hope you have understood the concept of this particular exercise. Okay, so in this exercise what we have done. Okay, so we have completed the sentence through the match, or we have got the sentence through the match. Okay, I hope you have understood them. And now what you have to do, you have to complete them, or you have to do them in your notebook. Sorry, not in your book, in your book. Okay, not in a notebook. Next. In the next we have, now write the complete sentences from exercise B and use correct punctuations marks at the end. Okay, so I have just erased the number B, but we have to solve the question number B, which is related to the B. Question number C, which is related to the B. So what we have to do from the B, we have to, मतलब कि हमने B में क्या किया था, मैच किया था. Now we have to write them as a fully sentence, and we have to use the punctuation mark according to the sentence. Means if the sentence is a question, we have to put the question mark. If sentence is a statement, we have to put the full stop at the end. So like this we have to make rewrite that sentences, and we have to use the punctuation marks according to the sentence in the question number C. So C number. So the first one, what we have got, in the first we have got the Reema, Rahul and Reem are skipping. Okay, this is our first one. Rahul and Reem are skipping. तो as you can see on the board, so this is our statement. मतलब ये कैसा sentence है, statement वाला है. So what we have to use, we have to use the full stop at the end. Okay. Number 2. In the 2 we got, will you help me carry these books? Will you help me carry? Will you help me carry these books? तो ओके, ये क्या हो गया, क्वेश्चन हो गया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पूछ रही क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे. तो हियर वी आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू यूज, क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. Number 3. In the third we have, the peacock is dancing. The peacock is dancing. So peacock is dancing is a affirmative sentence, simple sentence or a statement. So we will use full stop at the end of this sentence. Number 4. In the 4 we have, the sun gives us light. The sun gives us light. Okay, the sun gives us light. So it is also a affirmative sentence or a simple sentence, and in your words it is a statement. So we will use full stop. Number 5. The line up outside the classroom. This is our last sentence. Line up outside the classroom. Okay, so it is also a statement which is given by a teacher. So we will use full stop at the end of this sentence also. So here we have completed the question number C, and we have also used the punctuation mark according to the sentence. So what you have to do the question number C in your book. Number C. Now we have a comprehension, and it is the last exercise of this page number 8 and from this chapter 2 sentence. So in the comprehension we always get some short storyline or poem, and we in the last we always get some questions to solve them according to the storyline or poem. Okay. Comprehension. So in this we have a short conversation type of a story.